Tonight, we love you. Tomorrow, we love you. And forever, Pakistan and India, let me show you how this is done. I bow down on 2 knees and say thank you, my queen, my boss, my goddess, my honor, to protect you, to love you, to adore you. I had to lose it all to love it all. I had to build it up from the bottom because it all was burnt away from me. So you see, part 5, baby, where we paint a beautiful mind with a picture, honey, because 24/7, you know, we believe in home in Mama's heart. For I love Marisha Harlan, unconditionally support her endlessly. With the voice of an angel, honey, you see we're doing something bold, brave, and different because I love Marisha Harlan. And that skin like cocoa butter. Oh, Mama, you are the most beautiful, magnificent, significant part of my world. And that's why I'm here. Today, tomorrow, forever. To love, appreciate, and admire you. Because you see, what people see is an actress? No. I see a dancer. I see a singer. And you see, it is so magnificent to show the world, Mama, I love you. You never need makeup. You're kick-ass and strong. It's just doing something right because you love Marisha Harlan and you want to stand up and fight. When you believe in something heart and soul, you're just not going to let and stand by idly and let people destroy it. No, 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 no. I don't care if it's 1 versus a billion. Darling, I owe you my life. So the greatest honor I can do for you, my queen, is sacrifice it. So, I love you, Mama. Size 9 feet, tiptoe magic, baby. Part 5 of our Hollywood movie. Because we're swinging home runs. And we're having a grand old time. Loving the queen. Marisha Harlan, you are perfect in every single way. I bow down to be bold, to be brave, to be different, to love you in every single way. Love your singing, love your dancing, love your movies, love your personality. You are the sweetest of hearts, kindest of ladies.